Ahem, my people, you see say I dey start this weekend with $58. Now what I want to start this week. And the reason why they use this kind of small money, now say I won't make everybody fit participate in trading. Make you see the opportunity where they I no get plenty money inside. So you know when they think say this one get full money inside forex. That's why they feel they make money. No, no, no. I want make you see say even with $58, make you dey risk $7 per trade. You go fit dey still make $21 for every trade where you enter, and you go still make your life better. Imagine say you make, even if na one trade you enter in one day, you make $21. Na something now. So as market don enter now, open now, normally some people go tell you say na when market open, New York open or all those ones. But me I dey see opportunity anytime. Now see as market open now. See as market open now, I wan show you something. Make I take you go one day. Make you see daily charts. So you see this one day, I could put one line for here. See this line for this place, this green one. I could put another line for here. Another line for here. This green. So you see this place, I dey expect say when price enter inside here where it go come down. So now inside in between this line where I put there, I won't sell. So now daily be this one. So now daily chart now. So we go come 1 hour. See as market open now. As e open, see this gap where e create. One rule dey say anytime we gap create like that, say you go fill am back. Make I come 5 minutes. So you know wetin I dey look for, see this gap where this thing creates. See this gap when you create, I won't follow and come down, follow am. So now I never know whether I don't finish the group, but I dey wait, make I see wetin go happen. So I dey wait. Make this candle form finish. If it form finish, I go decide whether make I sell. I go put the stop loss on top am. 4309. Make it finish. Make it finish. Na 5-minute chart this so. Don't form. I go sell now. Sell. I put stop loss for 4309. 4309. 4309. Dollar now $9 at the risk. This one plenty small shall, but what could leave it like that? Supposed pass $7. Now you go ask me, say, wetin be the rule where make me enter this trade? See, the rule be say, as market just open for here, we be seeing the thing go up like this, the rule say it go come back, come fill this space where it creates before it continue to go back up. So now because of this one don't do, this first one don't form. As this first red don't form like this, now make I enter. So as I enter, I go wait, make it come all the way down. So I go stop to do this live now. We go come back, come check wetin happen and how much I make or whether I lose money. I go come still show you. But me, I dey expect am to come down to this place.